Let's talk about the COVID-19 virus, social distancing, and you. So let's say, against all public health warnings, you decide to invite 3 of your friends over for a little get-together. Unbeknownst to them, one of your friends has the COVID-19 virus, and through this get-together, they have now transmitted the COVID-19 virus to you and your 2 other friends. It is important to note that just because they are not experiencing any symptoms, they can still be a carrier of the virus and they can still transmit it to you and your 2 friends, which is what happened here. So now you have the COVID-19 virus and you go home. Now, who's waiting for you at home? Let's say your mom is waiting for you at home, your dad, and maybe your little brother. They're all at home and they're not going to be very happy. Why? Because you have now just given them the COVID virus, although none of you know it yet, and so your parents maybe go to work. And remember that they have the COVID-19 virus now, and so at work, they give it to all of their coworkers and anyone on public transportation that they may come into contact with. And those people then all transmit the virus to anyone that they come into contact with. And remember, going back to your 3 friends, remember that your other 2 friends also have lives. So they may go home and transmit the COVID-19 virus to anyone waiting for them at home as well. They may go to work and they may transmit the COVID-19 virus to their coworkers. And so you can see how it starts getting amplified. In general, it starts with one person with the COVID-19 virus and they transmit it to anyone that they come into contact with, whether that is their friends or their family or just anyone around them. And those people now all are infected with COVID-19 and they can then transmit it to anyone that they come into contact with. So you can see that it all starts with one person not practicing social distancing, and before long, you have a pandemic. Now, what can you do to help curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus? Well, you've heard it all over the news. I've mentioned it a few times already in this video. It is called social distancing. So what does that mean? It means trying to limit your social contact as much as possible. So that can start by simply staying home. So let's say you stayed home and your 3 friends stayed home instead of that get-together. And remember, one of your friends has COVID-19 and they don't spread it to anyone. So in the end, your family's happy, you're happy, and in the end, everyone is happy. So in summary, practice social distancing, wash your hands often, and stay safe. Together, we can fight this pandemic by not being together.